Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. Former Warriors captain Williad Katsande has been appointed as the head coach of Zimbabwean club Rangers FC. Rangers FC, formerly known as Chinhoyi Rangers, plays in the Northern Region Division 1 League and is based in Chinhoyi. The ex-Kaizer Chiefs midfielder is expected to be unveiled in the coming days. The move marks Katsande's first coaching job in Zimbabwe since acquiring the CAF coaching badge. Looking at his experience, he has experience playing for top teams like Kaizer Chiefs, Zimbabwe's national team, and has a strong understanding of the game and its tactical aspects. He's taking a calculated step by starting in the lower tier to gain experience and build his coaching credentials, showing his willingness to learn and grow as a coach. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.